Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable memory integrity in Windows 11. This security feature helps protect your system from malicious code and attacks by preventing unauthorized programs from accessing high security processes. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is powered on and wait for it to completely load up. Give it a moment to fully boot into your desktop so everything runs smoothly during the setup process. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Locate the Windows Start menu button, which is typically found on the left side of the taskbar. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. This is your gateway to accessing various system settings and features. Now with the Start menu open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on it and type in Core Isolation. As you type, Windows will begin searching for relevant settings and features. Once you've finished typing, press Enter on your keyboard to execute the search. This will bring up the Windows Security menu automatically. The system will now direct you to the Core Isolation menu within Windows Security. This is where you can manage important security features that protect your computer's memory and core processes. The Core Isolation settings help safeguard your system by isolating critical parts of Windows from potential threats and malicious software. Within the Core Isolation menu, you'll prominently see an option labeled Memory Integrity. This feature uses hardware virtualization to create an isolated environment where security-critical processes can run, preventing attackers from exploiting vulnerabilities in your system's memory. To enable this protection, simply click on the toggle button next to Memory Integrity. Once you toggle it on, Windows will activate this security layer immediately. And that's it! You've successfully enabled memory integrity on your Windows 11 PC, adding an extra layer of protection to your system's core processes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.